I'm gonna go train Alfred. Yes, I need to find a way how to beat Lord Deathman, but I can't do it alone. You are never alone. I'll help you, Bruce. Thanks, Richard.
As will I. Me too.
Long time no see, Amy. Thanks, all of you. We need the files on him. It's possible they've been erased.
What?
I can track his location. Alright, everyone, suit up. I'm coming with you too. With that broken leg you're not. I'll show you I can do it. No, Tim. Fine. It's a little too harsh, don't you think? First. Bane.
Hello, Batman.
Oh, I'll show them.
Let's just see how many heroes I can break.
Is everyone alright? Bane packs a punch. Ha! I'm gonna bring you in. We'll see about that, Dark Knight. He's mine. Let's go. Tim. Yeah? You can fight crime now. Yay! And as for you, welcome to the Justice League.